Hello everyone, I'll tell you how to make fruit punch sunrise mocktail. First of all, take a shaker glass and fill the glass with ice cube. Then you have to pour 60 ml of lychee juice. Then you have to pour 60 ml of orange juice. Then you have to pour 60 ml of pineapple juice. And then pour 60 ml of mango juice. After that, you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Shake well, and then you have to pour all the mixer ingredients into the boiling glass. Then you have to pour 20 ml of grenadine syrup from the top of the glass. You can see the sunrise mocktail is ready. See, very fancy, and you can serve with straw and stirrers, and you can garnish with pineapple slice, orange slice, or watermelon slice, anything. Thank you very much for watching my video.